I think for most people, when they think of LTD, they think of the bus. But LTD is so much more than just the bus.
LTD believes in a triple bottom line approach. That means we take care of our community and social equity, and we take care of the environment, and we also are concerned with our economics, which means sustainable business practices.
When I became LTD's very first sustainability program manager, I wanted to take a comprehensive look at all of our operations and understand where we could make a difference.
LTD and the board of directors take climate change very seriously. We know it's a real problem, and we are actually in a unique position to be able to do some really important work in this area.
Over the last several years, instead of declining, LTD's emissions have actually stayed steady because of our focus on our frequent transit network.
Frequency is a key component of people's decision to take buses or not take buses. If we can provide 10 or 15-minute service on frequent transit networks, it makes the choice easy for people to take the bus.
We know that LTD is responsible for emissions coming from our operations and our vehicles and our owned facilities, but we also know that transit is part of the solution to climate change.
It's important, if we're going to be leaders in environmental sustainability, that we take action now to try to reduce our greenhouse gas emissions. And so currently we have over 50% of our fleet are hybrid electric buses.
We've been piloting those electric vehicles in order to determine whether the range and the operating profile will meet LTD's needs for getting people to and from their destinations.
This will be a reduction on our overall greenhouse gas emissions, and we're excited to continue to play our part at LTD to lower the greenhouse gas emissions.
We know that climate change will impact our community, but not everyone will be impacted by climate change equally. So we know that we have to protect the most vulnerable members of our community, and we want to be here for all of those folks to provide them with the independence to achieve their goals and get them from point A to point B.